Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add or change your bank account in BISM, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app that you want to link with BISM. For example, Santander, BBVA, CaixaBank, or another BISM-compatible bank. Step 2. Go to the BISM section. From the main menu, locate the BISM section. You might find it under Transfers, Payments, or Send Money. Step 3. Access BISM settings. Once inside BISM, look for the settings icon or My BISM profile. Tap it to see which account is currently linked. Step 4. Change or add account. To link a new account, choose Change Linked Account or Add Account. You'll usually be asked to confirm your identity with a code or biometric security. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After confirming, your selected account becomes the new default for sending and receiving money via BISM. Important tips: you can only link one BISM account per phone number. If you switch banks, don't forget to deactivate BISM on the old one first. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank account to BISM. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy step-by-step banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.